guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So, at long last, my stitch fix finally arrived. With everything going on with you know what right now, I'm afraid to say it because I feel like even though YouTube has said they won't demonetize anyone, I don't know that for sure. But with everything going on in the world right now, my stitch fix was delayed by a good 10 days. So that's why this video is going up a little late. Though I don't know anyone that's waiting with bated breath for my stitch fix videos, but I digress. I will say, I once again forgot to actually put something in like I am prone to do. So I didn't really give this stylist any guidance. They were just flying by the seat of their pants, much like my life. So for this fix, which happens to be fix number 36 for me, which is insane to think about, I was sent 4 tops and a skirt. And honestly, I don't think I'm keeping anything. There's one item that I'm on the fence about, but pretty much everything else is a hard no. Like, not me at all. Ugh. Which is sad because some of the things in this box the stylist pulled because she saw them on my Pinterest board. But again, I put things on my Pinterest board without knowing how they're actually gonna look on me, so that's really no one's fault. My stylist did send me a lot of like dressy tops, which is pretty much all anyone needs these days because of Zoom meetings or whatever. No one's seeing your bottom half, they're all just seeing your top half. So you could be looking really nice up top and like a schlub down bottom. So like I said, I did get a skirt as well as 4 tops. One of the tops is a hoodie, which is the one I'm leaning towards. If I keep it, I don't know. I might just save that money because it is like $38 and I don't know if I want to spend that on a hoodie. Let's just dive into it. Are you kidding me that someone is cutting grass right now? I apologize. Of course, someone would start cutting grass as soon as I film. So if you hear a lawnmower in the background, my apologies. So the first thing I'm going to show is the hoodie, just because I might keep it. It's really soft. I do enjoy it. I like the color. So the first item is this hoodie. This hoodie is by Mix by 41 Hawthorn, which if you've been watching my Stitch Fix videos for a while, you know I like 41 Hawthorn, and it is the Kallon brushed knit hoodie. It's incredibly soft. I do enjoy it. It's $38 though, which is the main reason why I'm just like, I don't know if I want to pay $38 for a hoodie. I've done it in the past. With everything going on, money's a little tight, so I don't know if I want to spend that on it, but I do enjoy the look of it. It's very soft. It looks pretty good on me. Could wear this with nice black leggings. It's still a nicer hoodie. It's not like a graphic hoodie or anything like that. I'm thinking about it. Don't know for sure. I will put in the comments whether or not I got it because right now I'm not on the fence. But it is dark purple. Not sure if the camera's really showing it, but it is a dark purple color. It does have some kind of like banding down here, white thick band, and then 2 gray thin bands. It's a hoodie. What else can you say about it other than the fact that it is $38? It's a size small. It's a little looser on me, even though it doesn't really look like it would be a loose fit. It is, and it stretches quite a bit. So if I do keep anything from this box, it's going to be this hoodie. The next top is by Jolie, and it is the Reid 3/4 sleeve knit top. Now, this is one of the items that was on my Pinterest board, so that's why my stylist sent it this month. By the way, I didn't mention it, but my stylist name is Jan. I don't think I've had Jan before. So she doesn't know my style. She was just going off of what she could find on Pinterest because I didn't leave a note as to what I wanted. So, you know, for what she had to work with, she did a good job. Really? Grass cutters? Are you kidding me? So this is an olive color. It's a size small. I hated how this looked on me. I also didn't like how the sleeves felt. As you can see, it is 3/4 of a sleeve. I said 3/4, didn't I? It's 3/4. That's how you pronounce that. 3/4. Ignore me. So even though the sleeve itself looks very short, it does come to about here on me. But I hate this sleeve. I look like a bat. I look like I was going to fly away, like a sugar glider or something like that. I hate this. I also didn't like how it hugged my butt, or lack thereof. And I don't know, it's very soft. I feel like this would be a good like lounge thing, but also you could dress it up. But I just, this is also $38. I definitely would not. Like, looking at that, that looks like a poncho. And I do not like ponchos. So this was a no once I got it on. Like, looking at it at first, I was like, maybe it could work. But then I had it on and I'm like, no, that can't work. So it's a size small, very loose, but it was tight around my butt and I don't have a butt. So not sure if it was actually supposed to come down as far as I pulled it. I have to send this back. This just did not look good on me. Next is this top by All in Favor, and it's the Sindel wrap blouse. I hated this before I even put it on. I saw the picture of it when it shipped and I hated it. I hated it so much that apparently I didn't put it back together after I tried it on. First of all, I don't like peplum, which is what this kind of is. When it's on, you'll see in the try on video how it kind of flares out like peplum. Not a fan of peplum. Haven't really been a fan of peplum ever. Definitely don't like it on this. There is absolutely no give to this top. It like cut the circulations off of my arms. I don't like this type of sleeve. There was nothing about this top that I like, except for maybe the color. It does say dark green. It's a size small. It was not flattering on me at all. It's got like two little, so you've got like a little elastic thingy here that you wrap around a button. Then at the top, like here, there was a snap button, and then it does have like that wrap look to it because as you can see, there are some strings that tie on the left side. I believe. I think it was the left side. I could be wrong. I guess I should try putting this back together. Now that I've snapped it actually back together so you can see it a little bit more together. This is what it looks like without the tie. The tie comes around here. Yeah, it's the left side. And then you just tie it over here. I don't know. I just really disliked this. Like, I disliked it before I even tried it on, and I really disliked it after I tried it on. And it just didn't look good on me. I have broad shoulders and tops like this just don't look good on me and not something I would ever wear. Like ever wear. But if you're interested in it, it is a size small. It is $38, much like the other two items so far. If you're looking for that dressier blouse type thing, this would be a good option, but I would size up because there is absolutely no give to it, and my arms, I felt like the circulation was cutting off. And I'm normally a size small in pretty much everything, extra small in some things. This was just not cutting it. Next up is this white top by Brina and M, and it is the Clarion Tie Front top. I wanted to like this because I want some more summery white tops. I have a lot of like white sweaters, but I don't have a lot of white tops for the summertime. This ain't it. First of all, I know white can be see-through on its own, but this was really see-through. And my apologies in advance, I was wearing a sports bra because I was going to work out after I tried this on, and I was just too lazy to take it off into a normal bra, so that's why you can see that. This was so boxy, whereas the last top was very form-fitting, almost too form-fitting. This one had no shape whatsoever. It also holds wrinkles like I don't know what. It just, I didn't think it was flattering. I do like the little lace detailing in it. There's like some crochet detailing. I don't like elasticy bands around my arms, like my forearms. I just don't like that. Like I said, whereas the last one was form-fitting, almost too form-fitting, this is like the opposite. And I was just not a fan. It's very lightweight though. I will say that. Very lightweight, so it's a good top for summertime. I do like the tie front. I do like that style. It was almost too long in the front, and I know it's more for a dressy thing and not more of like an out-in type thing. But yeah, this was a no-go. And this is $42, so a little bit more expensive than the other things so far, but it just, I don't know. Maybe with black leggings it'd be fine, but ugh, not so much. And the final item in this box is the skirt. Or actually, they call it a skort because it does have like a whole pants thing inside going on. It's a size 2, so it made me feel great about myself. But this is by Tribal, and it's the Remington Slit Pocket Skort. First of all, I haven't worn a skort since I went to private school in 8th and 9th grade, so we don't need those memories. Second of all, this is not something I would normally wear. Ever. This whole like, what color is it? It says it's light blue. It's like a weird combination of light blue and periwinkle, which, oh, periwinkle. It does have like this really pretty faded white floral print on it. The pockets were nice, very spacious. It is stretchy, very stretchy, but it just was not looking good on me at all. Ugh. And again, I just don't like the skort aspect. Like you can see here, you can lift it up some and you can see that it's got like the skort part of it that makes it a skort, like the whole pants thing, pantaloons, I don't know what you call that. Other than the pockets, I do like the length, very good for work, but otherwise this was a no. It also accentuated areas that don't need to be accentuated, but the stretch was good, the pockets were good, the length is good, just everything else was bad. And this goes for $54, so it is the most expensive thing out of my box. Yeah, that's a no. So for everything in my box, even though I'm definitely not getting everything, may not get anything. So for the grand total, it's $210 for the whole box. If I got all 5 things, that would take 25% off, which would take off $52.50, which would bring it to $157.50. Yep, that's a hard no. So if I keep anything, it would be the hoodie, which is $38. I don't know if I want to spend $38 on it. I got another day or so from the time that I'm filming this to make that decision. As of right now, it looks like I'm not gonna keep anything. That's what I'm leaning towards. save that money for something else. So unfortunately, this box was a huge bust, but it's not at the fault of the stylist. You know, I didn't get my suggestions in, or my recommendations, or my wants, or whatever in on time. And then with everything going on in the world, it delayed the box and delayed like everything, and it just wasn't, it was poor timing, really, if anything. So I will keep a watch out to make sure that I do put something in for May's box. Maybe it won't be as delayed, but with everything going on in the world, God knows how long, things will be the way they are. Fingers crossed for the next box. We'll see. Let me know in the comments below if you had a favorite item out of these 5 things, if you had a least favorite item. I mean, if I had to pick, my favorite item was the hoodie, since I am considering keeping it. My least favorite item, pretty much everything, but if I have to pick one, definitely that green top, the blouse. Not so much the Batwing one, but the blouse. Ugh. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big ol' thumbs up. Go down there and hit that subscribe button, wherever it may be, because I don't know, even though I do. This is just my shtick now. Also hit that notification bell in case you want to know when I upload, and in case YouTube wants to let you know when I upload, because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.